Hey everyone, it's Sherry here from Inspired by Fitness, and today is day one of our foam rolling challenge. So if you are new to rolling, there are a whole bunch of different types of foam rollers out there. There are some that are a little softer, like this guy here. Okay, and then there's some that are a lot more aggressive that kind of look like this guy here. Okay, there's ones with spikies and all different types of rollers out there. So if you're new to rolling, I would highly recommend something that looks like this, a little bit softer, doesn't have any spikes on it. Okay, if you are used to rolling, then you can go with something that's a little bit more aggressive, a little bit stronger, has funky spikes on it. Okay, again, if you're new to rolling, the spiky ones, I probably wouldn't recommend them. They look pretty, but they might be a little aggressive to start with. I would start with something like this. Okay, so why do we foam roll? So some of the benefits of foam rolling, it increases recovery, circulation, range of motion, mobility, and it also can be relaxing as well. So what it is, it's a form of myofascial release. So it helps break down the fascia that surrounds our muscles so we can move more fluidly through motion. Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to learn actually two different stretches that we can do with the foam roller, as well as one of the foam rolling techniques for our back. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to lay down on the mat. So the first one we're going to do is actually for our middle here, mid part of our back. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the foam roller, we're going to place the foam roller under our shoulder blades. My bum is on the ground, my feet flat on the floor, knees are bent. All right, I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to place my hands behind my head. I'm going to make sure that my fingers are not interconnected. Okay, so just like this, support and support. Elbows are out to the side. If you have long hair, you're going to make sure you're going to want to make sure that hair is out of the way. If you have a hood, put your hood up, okay, just so that doesn't get stuck under the roller when we're stretching and rolling. Okay, so here we go. We got the roller under our mid back, shoulder blades, hands behind the head, bum on the ground. We're going to take a deep breath in, exhale, and we're going to arch our back over the roller. And we're going to look at the ground behind us. And we're just going to hold the stretch. Good. We're going to come on up. We're going to take a deep breath in. We're going to move our bum maybe about half an inch or a quarter of an inch closer to the roller. Bum on the ground again. This time exhale over and try to get your back a little bit more arched over the roller. Elbows to the side, opening up the chest. Good, and up. Excellent. Okay, so that's an amazing stretch that you can do, especially if you're sitting all day or you're driving all day or typing all day and you're always in this forward position here. It's a great way to stretch out the spine in the opposite direction. Okay, now we're going to roll the back. So we're going to place the roller right under the shoulder blades. Again, feet flat on the floor, bum on the ground. I'm going to cross my hands across my chest. I'm going to lift up my hips. And I'm going to roll from the top of my traps just to mid back. So I'm not going to go all the way down to my lower back, just here, okay? So lower shoulder blades all the way to the upper traps. As I roll towards the traps, try lifting your hips a little bit higher, and that will put a little bit more pressure into the trap. All right? Releasing some of those tight muscles. Deep breath in and exhale. Good, one more time. And relax. Good job. Okay, so quick, great way to just really roll out the upper back, whether it's tightness through your day or just you did a really good back workout. All right, and I'm gonna show you one more stretch that you can do. Thanks for joining me, guys. This stretch here is really good for your neck, okay? So we're gonna put the roller under your neck and we're just gonna rotate our head from side to side, nice and slow, and then chin down and up. You won't get a lot of range of motion doing this, but just enough to go down and up, and then again, one more time, side to side. We forget how much tension we hold through our traps and through our neck. So the foam rolling here can definitely help ease some of that tension up. So laying down on our back. Here we go. And we're just gonna roll side to side, nice and slow. Deep breaths. Let gravity do its magic. Good. Then we're gonna take our chin, we're gonna go down and up and down and up. One more time, down and up, and then side to side. Good. Deep breaths and exhale. Good job. Okay, so that's it for today. We did 2 different exercises, 2 different stretches, 1 rolling technique. And by the end of our 5-day challenge, we'll have a whole body, a total body rolling routine that we can do. Okay? All right, so thanks for joining me. Happy day number 1, and I'll see you tomorrow for day number 2. Bye, guys. Take care.